Have you ever wondered why Japanese cars are legendary for lasting forever? Some of them cross 1,000,000 miles without breaking a sweat. The truth is, it's not just the cars, it's the habits of the drivers. In Japan, everyday maintenance secrets passed down from generation to generation keep engines running like new for decades. Today, I'm revealing 12 of those secrets that can add hundreds of thousands of miles to your own car and save you thousands in repairs. Secret 1. Progressive warm-up before driving. Most drivers start their car and speed off right away, but in Japan, the million-mile secret is the progressive warm-up. When the engine is cold, the oil is still thick and hasn't fully reached every moving part, while the metal components are still contracted from the temperature. Driving hard in that state creates dry friction and tiny amounts of wear that build up over time. Instead, the Japanese method is simple. Let the engine idle for about 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently for the first few minutes, keeping revs low and avoiding hard acceleration. This gives the oil time to coat every part of the engine and allows the metal components to expand naturally. Over the years, this small daily habit can add hundreds of thousands of miles to your car's life. Secret 2. Oil changes based on use, not just mileage. Changing oil by mileage alone is the mistake most drivers make. But in Japan, oil changes are based on use and driving conditions. City driving with constant stop-and-go traffic, idling, and short trips breaks oil down much faster than steady highway cruising. That means two cars with the same mileage can have oil in completely different conditions. Japanese drivers know this, so they shorten intervals when driving mostly in the city and safely extend them when their cars spend more time on highways. This way, the engine always runs with fresh, protective oil, and wear is minimized. It's one of the cheapest and most effective ways to keep an engine strong for decades. Secret 3. Regular fluid checks. Japanese car owners treat fluids as their car's lifeblood, not something to ignore until a warning light shows up. Beyond just oil, they frequently check brake fluid, coolant, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. If any of these run low or become dirty, they can quietly damage expensive systems and lead to breakdowns. That's why drivers in Japan make it a habit to open the hood at least once a month, pull the dipsticks, look for leaks, and top up or replace fluids as needed. This simple habit takes only a few minutes but prevents major failures and thousands of dollars in repairs. Regular fluid checks are a discipline that ensures the car runs smoothly year after year, pushing it closer to the million-mile mark. Secret 4. Early air and fuel filter changes. In Japan, drivers don't wait until filters are completely clogged before replacing them, because dirty air and fuel filters slowly suffocate the engine. When air filters are packed with dust, the engine has to work harder to breathe, burning more fuel and producing less power. A clogged fuel filter can restrict flow and stress the fuel pump, leading to premature failure. By replacing these filters earlier than the manual's maximum interval, Japanese drivers keep the combustion process clean and efficient. The result is smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, and longer engine life. It's a small, inexpensive habit that pays off with massive savings in the long run. Secret 5. Clean intake system. Every 25,000 miles, even when using good fuel, carbon buildup is inevitable inside the intake system. Over time, sticky deposits restrict airflow and reduce fuel atomization, causing rough idling, poor acceleration, and higher fuel consumption. Japanese mechanics recommend cleaning the intake system every 25,000 miles to keep the air path free of obstructions. This quick service restores airflow, maintains engine responsiveness, and prevents the slow decline in performance that many drivers accept as normal aging. By keeping the intake system fresh, the engine continues to breathe like new, helping it last far beyond what most people expect. Secret 6. Only use high-quality fuel. Cheap gas might save a little at the pump, but it comes at the cost of engine health. Lower-grade fuels often contain fewer detergents and can leave behind carbon deposits that clog injectors, foul valves, and reduce efficiency. Japanese drivers stick to top-tier fuels that are engineered to keep the combustion chamber clean. Over the years, the difference is dramatic. Fewer misfires, smoother operation, and longer-lasting fuel system components. Spending a little more on quality fuel is one of the easiest investments you can make in your car's future. Secret 7. Battery terminal maintenance. A battery doesn't just die overnight. Often, poor maintenance is the hidden cause. Corrosion on battery terminals increases electrical resistance, which can lead to weak starts, dim lights, and strain on the charging system. In Japan, drivers regularly inspect and clean the terminals, applying protective grease or spray to prevent corrosion from forming. This simple 5-minute routine ensures strong electrical connections and avoids being stranded with a car that won't start. A clean battery isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting the entire electrical system. Secret 8. Preventive replacement of belts and tensioners. Instead of waiting for a squeak, crack, or sudden snap, Japanese car owners replace belts and tensioners before they fail. A broken timing or serpentine belt can instantly disable the car or even cause catastrophic engine damage. Replacing them on schedule is far cheaper than repairing bent valves or a ruined water pump. Preventive replacement might feel unnecessary when the belt looks fine, but that's exactly why it's so effective. Problems are solved before they happen, keeping the car reliable and stress-free for years. Secret 9. Frequent tire checks. Tires are the only contact between the car and the road, so Japanese drivers treat them with care. They regularly check pressure, tread depth, and even alignment to make sure the tires wear evenly and grip properly. Underinflated or worn tires don't just reduce safety, they force the suspension and engine to work harder, lowering efficiency and causing premature wear. By keeping tires healthy, drivers improve fuel economy, extend suspension life, and enjoy safer, smoother rides. It's a habit that delivers benefits in every aspect of driving. Secret 10. Cooling system care. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of engine longevity, and nothing protects against it better than a healthy cooling system. In Japan, drivers don't wait for overheating. They flush coolant on schedule, inspect hoses for cracks, and make sure the radiator is clear and clean. Fresh coolant prevents corrosion inside the engine, while strong hoses and clamps prevent sudden leaks. By staying ahead of cooling system maintenance, Japanese drivers avoid the #1 killer of engines: overheating. It's not glamorous, but it's one of the most powerful secrets to hitting 1,000,000 miles. Secret 11. Avoid harsh driving. One of the simplest yet most powerful Japanese habits is smooth driving. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, and constant stop-and-go wear down the engine, transmission, suspension, and brakes much faster. Instead, Japanese drivers focus on steady acceleration, gradual braking, and keeping RPMs within a moderate range. This driving style not only reduces stress on mechanical parts, but also improves fuel efficiency and safety. Over time, smooth driving can literally double the lifespan of key components, which is why Japanese cars are known to age so gracefully. Secret 12. Wash the undercarriage frequently. Rust is the silent killer of cars, and it often begins where you can't see it, underneath. Road salt, dirt, and grime accumulate on the undercarriage and slowly eat away at the frame and suspension. Japanese drivers and mechanics make underbody washing part of their routine, especially in coastal or snowy areas. A clean undercarriage means rust has little chance to spread, protecting the car's structure for decades. This habit is one reason why Japanese cars maintain solid frames even after years of use. When most people wash their car, they focus on what they can see: the paint, the windows, the wheels. But in Japan, true car care starts where most people never look: underneath. The undercarriage is the hidden foundation of your car. It's where the frame, suspension, brake lines, and exhaust live. And it takes the most abuse from the road. Every time you drive, dust, mud, salt, and water get trapped down there. Over time, that grime doesn't just make your car dirty. It causes rust, and rust spreads quietly, eating away at the metal until it becomes a serious safety issue. That's why Japanese drivers make undercarriage washing a regular habit. Not just once a year, but every few months, and always after winter or heavy rain. In coastal areas, where salt air is common, it's even more important. A quick rinse with a pressure washer or a professional underbody wash removes all the hidden dirt and stops corrosion before it starts. It might not look like much, but this small routine can add years to your car's life. By keeping the underside clean, suspension bolts stay free, brake lines last longer, and your frame remains strong, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. So next time you wash your car, don't forget the part you can't see. The undercarriage wash is the real secret behind cars that last a lifetime. And there you have it. 12 Japanese secrets to make your car last 1,000,000 miles. If you found these tips helpful, Hit that like button and share this with someone who loves their car. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss more car-saving secrets. And if you want to go even deeper, check out this next video right here. I promise it'll save you thousands in repairs.